let's introduce Miss Sophia, a college student. Miss Sophia has a tablet and that helps her a lot in her daily education. But, a few days ago, she was suffering from a few problems because her Samsung tablet had shown several issues in different times. She was genuinely facing massive interruptions in her online classes. After facing these kinds of problems, when Miss Sophia took the decision to go to the best professionals as early as possible to fix all the issues. At that moment, she was recommended for iTech Xpress by one of her friends. iTech Xpress is a company that provides Samsung phone repair services and is known as a full repair service provider. It is a certified shop for all repairs for Samsung devices. Here skilled techs are ready always to run a diagnostic and determine the problem and offer repair services. Are you suffering from a same issue and looking for the best solution? Then do not worry, just browse at techexpressincorporated.com and get all the details. Do you want to talk with experts once? Make a call at 626-777-4747 and get a solution.